Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 16. Which of the following is a disadvantage of trade by barter? A. Double coincidence of wants. B. Free from balance of payments crisis. C. Free from modern monetary system. D. Non-wastage of time and effort. E. Personal and natural resources are perfectly utilized. So we are looking at the disadvantages of trade by barter, and the concept of trade by barter simply means direct exchange of goods, without use of money. So the direct exchange of goods without use of money is trade by barter. Now let's look at the options given to us to see which one is a disadvantage. So option A says double coincidence of wants. Now double coincidence of wants may actually be seen, or can actually be seen, as a disadvantage of trade by barter. Now double coincidence of wants refers to the event where you have to have two individuals. So you have to have two individuals that want the same, or want what the other wants. So let's take, for example, you have two individuals, right? The first one has, let's say, yam, and the second has rice. Now, in order for trade by barter to take place, the first person that has yam has to want rice, and the second person that has rice has to want yam. So this is the condition. This is double coincidence of wants that has to be in place for trade by barter to take place. Now, free from balance payments crisis is an advantage. Free from modern monetary system, that is freedom from having to use money, is an advantage. Non-wastage of time and effort is also an advantage. Personal and natural resources are perfectly utilized, can be seen as an advantage. But this double coincidence of wants, where you have to find someone that wants what you have and also has what you want, is seen as a disadvantage of trade by barter, as this can be incredibly difficult to get. So the correct answer is A, double coincidence of wants. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.